That's the most random thing. Their money?
Where's the money?
It's like a bomb. It's like an unplugged. Who put this here?
Oh no!
Wait, hold the door open. Hold the door open. Someone's staying here. Phil's just taking with us, dude.
I looked around the corner and no one's there.
No, hold the door. Just hold the door.
We're not taking the damn fridge in.
Why not?
Because it probably doesn't work. That's why I thought.
They're right there.
Where
is it?
It's like Hannah and like. How the fuck is it gonna be hard?
I know where.
Take the fridge, dude. Because then we're not gonna get back to them.
Go. Oh, dude.
What are we gonna do with the fridge, Greg?